What's up, y'all? It's been a while, but we got a video for you. It's a quick one, and this is our box. What's in this box? This is for the 2023 Honda CR-V. No installation instructions inside, so I'm going to provide them. What are we doing here today? This is going to be the rear USB ports that did not come in the 2023 CR-V. But here's the weird thing. You can install it with just what's in this box. So I'm going to unbox this in the car. We're going to plug it in, and I'm going to show you, not only do you not need really any tools, as long as you have something similar to this little plastic spudger tool, that's it. That's the installation instructions. So let's check it out. All right, shout out to College Hills Honda for this, because that's where you should go for all your OEM Honda parts. Can't stress enough, they got great prices. But this is part number right here. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so that way y'all can find it really easily. And here she is, 2023 CR-V EXL. I'm gonna throw this in. All right, let's get in. Let's do this install. All right, so we've got our rear area. This light's not very bright in here. So here's the rear seat area. And if you notice on the left side, there's a little tab. We're just gonna take our spudger. Now keep in mind, there's this little tab that you're gonna have to push in as you pry. Just be careful not to break it. So here's the wild part. The harness is inside of the clip. There's nothing to run. That's it. So we're just gonna plug that in and snap it in place. And here she is. This is our rear USB adapter. And it matches the one in the front too, so it's pretty cool. We're gonna pull this out of this plastic bag. And of course, it's in another plastic bag. So you can see right here, doesn't really look like there's a right side up. We're gonna plug that harness right into it, and then we're gonna test it out. You'll hear it snap, and we're good to go. So which way is right side up and upside down? Well, it looks like you can just push it in, battery terminal facing right, and that's it. And this will match the one up front by the center console, so that way it doesn't look like aftermarket, because it's not. It's OEM. Let's test it out. One thing you're going to notice about these rear plugs is that they're both USB-C. So you're going to need USB-C cables. Let's test it out. Now, if you have the EXL model, you'll have the charge mat. And it also has USB and USB-C. So I'm going to borrow my USB-C, and we're going to go ahead and test this out. All right, let's go ahead and hit the engine start button once. Second time for accessory. Everything's lighting up. Let's go in the back and test it out. Let's plug it in. We're going to start with the left side first. Charging. And let's go to the right side. Make sure that works as well. We're good. Simple as that. So I got a couple more videos coming for this 2023 Honda CR-V. So if you got an accessory or something you want me to check out, leave in the comments below. I'm going to leave a description and a link to this rear USB charger adapter. That way you can pick one up for yours. And if you've got any comments or questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'm Carlos, and this is Just Ask Carlos, and I'll see you on the next one.